there was a small issue with the car. Hey, YouTube, what's going on? YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to this video. If you are new, hope you stick around. Make sure you like, comment, most importantly subscribe to the channel. I want you around for the long haul. And all my returning viewers that has been supporting me on this YouTube journey, thank you guys for doing that. Really appreciate you guys rocking with your boy on this YouTube thing. We couldn't do it without you guys, and you guys have been the real MVP when it comes to supporting the channel. So let's go get into today's video. You see the title and you see the thumbnail. So we do got some really good news on the car now. You know, I like providing you guys with these updates because of the fact that I know there's a lot of you guys out there have cars on order and you want to know, you know, kind of what the process is like. You want to know what the wait times are, things like that. So I want to give you some updates with the car now, where we stand, and if the dates are still going to hold true. So let me tell you what we got. The biggest thing I heard, and this is going to be real good news. So my car is no longer a figment of someone's imagination. It's no longer a picture on the wall. It is no longer something, a number in Dodge's system. My car has officially been built. It is real. The VIN number is now attached to a real car that can actually be driven, and that's the biggest thing. We finally at that point where the car is fully built, is done with that process, and now we're on to the next step. So as far as the date, so this is kind of how it played out as far as with my car being built. It was built on, let's see, today is March 10th. So my car was built on, it went on the assembly line March 4th is when it went on the assembly line. Now I will say this, the plant did shut down for 3 days for them to stock up on parts. So the 5th, which is Saturday, the 6th is Sunday, and Monday, which is the 7th, those days the plant was shut down, so nothing happened. And then on Tuesday, my guy that works there, he let me know that my car, when he got to work, it was already built and it was already in the shipping yard to be shipped. So sometime on Tuesday is when it got completed. He did let me know, unfortunately, there was a small issue with the car. And don't be alarmed about this either, because this is something that happens a good bit apparently. There was a small issue with the paint on my car, but they have that fixed, which as long as I don't notice it, I'm good with that. So that's been taken care of. So when I reached out to him, my car, he said, was in the shipping yard, and you know, they're in Canada, set to be shipped. So pretty much the car was picked up by a truck, and now currently my car is sitting in Buffalo, New York, getting ready to get put on the train. I'm not sure when it's going to get put on the train. That update came from the dealership. I reached out to the dealership. They told me I guess they have tracking information. They said it's sitting in Buffalo, New York, preparing to get put on the train. It could go on the train this week, next week, I don't know. That process could be a long process. I've been hearing people saying that it can take a month for it to ship, even though Buffalo, New York is a 12-hour drive. But that whole process is crazy. So it's got to go on the train from Buffalo, New York, get down here, unload from the train, truck goes to the location where the car is, picks it up, takes it to the dealership, which to me doesn't sound like a long process, but it's probably going to be a month process, because the last update I got as far as when I should get the car, I shouldn't get the car until, like I said, the week of April 5th. So that's when I'm expecting the car to get here. So as of right now, we are how many weeks away? It is the 10th as I'm recording this. So it's probably, if you're watching this, the first few people watching this, it's Friday the 11th. So we are still about 4 weeks away from the car getting here. I still don't know why that process takes that long anyway. So as I mentioned, like, the shipping process is the next step in this whole, you know, the shipping stage is the next step of this whole process. And that's the part, like, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. with my luck, I got a feeling it's gonna be a delay somewhere. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but we will see if that's gonna happen. But that's what we're waiting on right now, just for shipping. And we're gonna be, this car, it's gonna be gone, man. And I know a lot of people saying, I've been getting a lot of people in the comments telling me that I should keep it and things like that. I'm gonna go into all of that in another video as to why I did decide to trade it in and all that type of stuff. But I am gonna be getting rid of the car. But if somebody wants to just buy, well, I can't say someone buy it right now because I need a car, because I won't have a car to drive. Everybody's saying, why don't you just drive the SUV? I mean, I don't want to drive the SUV. I want to drive my car. My car's way funner to drive than the SUV. Like, come on now, let's be real. But that's pretty much what we got, man. I mean, we're slowly getting there. And I've been, you know, a lot of people have been reaching out to me. I've been talking with a lot of people regarding your orders and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm not sure what's Dodge's hold up. I mean, I'm with you guys with this weight, man. Dodge, they have been really slow when it comes to, you know, this whole ordering process and things like that. I think the biggest issue with Dodge when it comes to this ordering process is the fact that no one has information. There's no information out there to get. No one at the dealership can give you information. The chat that you can reach out to, the customer service line. I hope none of you guys are watching. I know it's not your fault, but man, the customer service is, at least when it comes to new orders, it's useless. Like, you can't, like, they don't give you any information. Like, I reached out to them the same day that I reached out to my guy, my sales guy, and I asked them, like, I want to know what the process, like, where we at with the car. They said, well, we don't have any dates or anything. They couldn't even tell me where the car was. So I'm like, well, that's not information. Like, yeah. So then I reached to the dealership. Yeah, your car's sitting here. So I'm sitting there like, why don't y'all have the same information? Like, so my car, they have to be able to track the car, right? Honestly, I wish I just drive up to New York and go get it myself. Honestly, I would do that. I would just drive up there, go get it. Let's cut all the middleman out. We can figure out all that another time. But that's where we stand. And this is going to wrap up today's video, man. And it's going to be a really short video. Just want to give y'all an update as to what's going on with my order, and hopefully it gets you guys an update on kind of your timeline, what you're seeing. Hopefully you guys have got VIN numbers and stuff of that nature. I know it's been a lot of people still waiting on VIN numbers. I hope you don't have to wait too much longer on a VIN number. I hope something happens. With the guy I know that works at the factory, he can't give me too much more information on my car because it's gone from the factory. I even tried to get him to get me some pictures of the car so I can at least see it. He couldn't do that because the car is no longer at the factory. It's gone. It's not even in the same, no longer in the same country. So it's now in the States. It's got his passport. It's crossed the borders. It's now in the United States. So my car is, I don't even know if it's been in the United States long enough to be a U.S. citizen, to be honest. I don't think so. It needs his green card. My car needs a green card. That's crazy. But that's what we got, man. Really short video. Just want to give that update to you guys. Like I said, man, if you got questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, for anyone out there that has already done an order and you had to go through shipping, let me know how long it took for you guys to do shipping, how long the shipping took, because pretty much they're saying it's going to take a whole month for it to come 12 hours down the road. I mean, honestly, I could leave right now. Let's see what time is it. Right now it is 5 o'clock Thursday. I can leave right now, be in Buffalo, New York, before the sun comes up right now. But it's gonna take them a month to get the car down here. That's what they say, man. That's what they say. So let me know how long the shipping took for you guys that already got your cars, and congratulations if you already did. I really want to know what you guys got. I mean, how long it took. So that's all we got for this video, man. Thank you for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one. We're out. Cut it.